Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai Santa Fe. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. To activate adaptive cruise control, firstly start driving, fasten your seatbelts, and next take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this button, press it to activate smart cruise control. Now push this button downwards to start it. Use plus-minus button to increase or decrease speed or to reset. Use this button below to change distance from the following car, and use button of the wheel to enable or disable steering assist. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.